everyone, and welcome to my channel. We are going to be doing a 5-video advanced yoga trapeze tutorial series. So if you are advanced and you're not able to practice at your gym right now or anytime, you can follow along on your trapeze and with me so you can still get the workout and the flexibility that you want. Let's go ahead and get started. I like to come to one side of the trapeze, grabbing the tallest handle. And then I also grab my tripod or my stand for a little bit of support. We're gonna take our weight into one leg and we're gonna do 10 normal kicks with our left leg. 1, 2, really swinging, warming up the joints. 5, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. So with that same leg, now we're gonna swing across the body. 1, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. We'll go ahead and come to the other side. Same thing, 10 swings. Beautiful. And then across. 1, 2, 10. Nice. So then now, to also get extra warmed up, we're gonna do 30 air squats. So I'm gonna turn to the side a little bit so you can see me. Plus I'm down a hill, I'll fall backwards. So getting a little bit wider than the hips. I guess you're advanced, we know how to do this. Air squat. $14, $15, $16, other way, $17, $20, $28, $29, $30. Beautiful. So now we're going to do some floating bridges. Depending on the height of your hammock, you can either put your legs through the actual hammock piece or through the lowest handle, depending on the height that you want. My trapeze is pretty low for this session, so I'm going to go ahead and take my legs up into it. Beautiful. So making sure that both legs are even, tucking the shoulders underneath the spine. You can clasp the fingers underneath your bottom. We'll inhale, let the hips drop. Exhale, squeeze everything on the way up. So 10 times. 9. 1. Nice. So we're actually going to hold this here. Release the left leg out. We're going to tap that left toe down and then kick our leg up towards our face straight. Bend the knee, tap down, kick. 7, 6, 1. Beautiful. Switch sides. Tap and kick. 9. 1. Nice. Bring that back. Lift and hold. Breathe. Squeeze. And exhale. Nice and slow. Release down. You can take a breath here. Beautiful. And we're going to go ahead and sit up. I'm gonna face this way for this portion, but after this one exercise, I'm gonna come out and move. You can stay just as you are. So next we're gonna do some pistol squats. I like to put my leg in the hammock just behind my knee, not directly under the knee, but right behind it, spread out the fabric just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the highest handles. I like to bring my body into my hammock just so I feel more kind of connected. So we're gonna sink into that leg that is along your hammock and release the weight out of your standing leg. So we're gonna inhale, exhale, push into that leg that is touching your strap, so your left leg, as your right leg lifts. And then inhale, you let your hips drop, bend that knee, come into a pike with your right leg, and then exhale, press it back up. 8 more times, or 9 more times. 8, 7, 2, and 1. Nice. Keep your legs just as they are. I'm just going to spin around so you can see more of what I'm doing. So now I'm going to grab the middle length handle and allow my right hand to come down. So I'm more in a side plank, floating side plank here. And I'm going to get really strong in my legs, in my hips. Make sure you can see everything down your body. We're going to do some abductors or adductors. So I take the legs apart and press them together. 9, 3, 2, 1. Now hold and scissor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, squeeze, release. Whew. So now we'll go ahead and switch to the other side. So back to our pistol squats. So setting up like before, sinking down, press into that right leg straight as you pike up. Nice. 7, 6, 1. Perfect. I'll stay here so you can see the other side, what I'm doing. Grabbing on to that middle handle and then taking the legs out straight. Always adjusting if you need it. Beautiful. So adductors, squeezing those legs together. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Scissor. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Hold. And then slowly release down and out. Perfect. Take a breath. Perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and sit in our hammock to prep to stand. Okay. So we're going to take the longest strap, move the rubber piece out of the way, step your foot in. So I got a nice wide connection there. Same thing, other side. Nice wide connection. Making sure it's more like on the arch of your feet. And then we're gonna grab for the shortest or highest handles. Nice. Then we're gonna drop into our middle splits and stand back up 10 times, just trying to use your legs. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Eight, 9, 10. Beautiful. And then now we'll slowly take our knees behind the fabric, come into more of a squat. If you want, you can grab your middle handles, letting the heels come right underneath the hips, knees come wide. If you feel comfortable here, you can release the handles, gently pressing into your knees, lifting the heart forward. Breathe. Nice, and then we'll go ahead and grab, if you can, get your hammock right underneath your wings, and then take those legs straight out, wide. You can clasp your fingers behind your back, lifting through the heart, sinking through the hips. Pressing those legs apart. Breathe. Nice. And then we're going to grab the hammock, start to rotate to the right as your left knee spins down, bending your left foot up into, or your right foot up into your left hip. Breathe here. One more inhale. Exhale. Other side. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Back to center, feet together this time. Really let those hips sink. If you want more, you can take your fabric, pull it towards your face. And then exhale, slowly release. Stepping out. Good work. I hope your legs feel a bit jello-y and warmed up now. Stay tuned for tomorrow, where we'll be doing a total core workout. I look forward to seeing you then. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.